Well, I'm off foraging today. I'm going to collect the wild garlic. Now the wild garlic should be flowered now. Usually I only collect the wild garlic with my friend in the sort of early spring when the very young leaves are out. However, having done some research on wild garlic, basically wild garlic is the herb that keeps on giving, because you can eat the flowers in salads. You can use the stalks pretty much like you would use chives. The older leaves you put into your pesto, and the younger leaves you toss into a salad. So we're going to forage today, and today I have my husband with me. Right, we're going to one of my favourite spots for picking garlic. There's been plenty of garlic along the way, but I tend to like to come down here because very few people would walk here, and there'd be very few dog walkers here. Now in the spring when I come down here, this river is full and that's like a little natural dam, but now the water is that low that there's no flow. Normally there would be water cascading all over, which means we can get to the really good side for the garlic, which we can't do in the spring. So let's see. No, that's a bit deep there. Unless I take my trousers, roll my trousers up, not take my trousers off, but roll them up. Oh, that's garlic over there, see. This is where I pick my garlic here, okay, along the embankment here and along the embankment over there. So let's just go and have a look at a garlic plant. Right, so this is our wild garlic. Now, if you look at the nice broad leaves on it. Now, wild garlic, I was picking in the spring, like I say, but you see, it's turned out that the flower can be used, the bud can be used, you can actually eat that bud as it is, and the actual bulb can be used. But remember, if you remove a bulb, it won't grow again. So it's best off leaving it here, so there's a crop of wild garlic every year. So. And that's that golden leaf saxifrage. This too is edible. It's like a very peppery watercress. So, let's get picking. Let's have a look. There's Jerry down there. My husband's joined me today on a foraging. It's the first time he's been, and he's going deeper into the woods. But that's where I'd like to get. It's finding a way over. Well, I'll see you in a minute. I'm going to get picking. Okay, so let's have a look. I've picked a lot of garlic. That includes stems and flowers. But let's put this to the test. This is the garlic flower. It's very pretty. So I'm just going to take just one of them from here. Okay, this one here. Oh my God, if you like garlic, get garlic foraging. Probably know from all my videos I love garlic, and that flower will go perfectly well in a salad. Look at that behind us, isn't it just beautiful? And it's so quiet, even with Jerry here. Yeah.